Hi, this is Austin from Team Singapore, and we did our report on a paper called Rhythmic Patterning in Malaysian and Singapore English, written by Tan and Low in 2013. First, it is important to explain how linguists classify the rhythm of languages. There is a nice quote from Johnson et al. To explain the different classifications. They write, stress-timed languages were those that have stressed syllables occurring at regular intervals, such as English and German, while syllable-timed languages have syllables with similar durations irrespective of whether they are stressed or unstressed, such as Spanish and French, while mora-timed languages have mora of approximately the same duration, such as Japanese. English is considered one of the prototypical stress-timed languages, but as Low et al. Suggest in their paper, the rhythm classifications can be seen as more of a spectrum. This means that some kinds of English can be more stress-timed than others. The researchers used both Low et al.'s pairwise variability index, or PVI, and a rate-normalized metric, VARICO-V, to measure the results of their test. As Tan and Low write in their paper, the Low index, or PVI, measures the durations of vowels in successive syllables in an utterance. The underlying assumption is that there is a lack of vowel length distinction between stressed and unstressed syllables in syllable-timed languages, while this is not so for stress-timed languages. They then tested 10 subjects from Malaysia and 10 from Singapore who spoke English by having them perform 3 tasks: reading a passage from The Boy Who Cried Wolf, reading sentences aloud designed by Low, and finally spontaneously speaking out about their most memorable holiday for 5 minutes. They performed 2 rounds of measurements to assure intermeasurement reliability.
Hi, I'm Steph from Team Singapore. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about our results. The fact that a significant difference was found in the PVI values obtained for the measurement of the wolf passage as well as my most memorable holiday implies that Malay English is more syllable timed compared to Singapore English. It's worth noting, however, that the experimenters did not analyze words that didn't lend themselves to vowel reduction or PVI analysis in all parts of the study. There was also fewer significant differences between the 2 varieties using VARCO-V versus PVI, which was contributed to vowel-to-vowel variability and words that have less potential for vowel reduction. The researchers used this to put forward the idea that vowel reduction causes a dichotomy between stress-timed and syllable-timed languages. The scarcity of instrumental studies about Malay English points to a need for more empirical Malay English studies to confirm this study's results. And this is our overview. All in all, even though the study is interesting in its own right, its small sample size simply demands that more research be done before any conclusions can really be drawn about the rhythm of either Singapore English or Malay English. It's also a little concerning that they left out information that did not lend itself to their conclusion. Thank you.